As you come closer, you can smell the green. We have trees, willows, all kinds of vegetation right in our backyard. I'm Carla Rose Ivanov, and I'm in Elam, Alaska. Lifelong Learners, I applied for that one. I just read it on Facebook. A friend shared it. I got excited because when I say 50 plus and over, that's me. I would like to do an online class that would help me at least to get started with the Microsoft Excel and with the math class. I would like to start a nighttime store or snack shack. Our village needs one. Our generation, we were out playing out. You know, we didn't have computers, phones, all that. And I thought this would be my opportunity to get me started somewhere. I was one of them that don't have internet, you know. I felt like I missed out. And right now, I'm ready. The other day, I Googled how to take out my hub on a four-wheeler. Did knitting, because I want to learn how to knit too. You have to start somewhere. Let's do this and learn together and just spread it out to our kids.